excited, Pete. Every time you get a piece off, I get very excited.
That's not going to happen.
Oh, that's the one. Oh, well done, Pete. Probably just could have made one of those up, couldn't I, actually? That's just a straight channel C section.
Yeah, you say that.
Anyway, we could use that as a guide anyway.
Template, yeah.
It's in good nick though, isn't it? There's no rust in it at all.
Yeah, it's still nice, good nick there too. So
yeah, that's why you get a panel van for a donor car, hey?
It'll look actually quite good. I'll be able to just make a cut through there.
Yep.
I reckon then we can just trim it to what we need.
Yep, cool, nice. Right, I'll let me. Oh!
Lovely. That's it. Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Oh, there's it's there.
There it is.
Oh, shit. Yay!
I'm going to pull it out.
Yeah. I just tell you what we should do, Pete. Go shares in a disc cutting factory and build our own. Boy, you chew through them, but they cut quick. That's the thing, you know, they're cutting real quick through this lighter metal. Eyesight's done. You weren't wasting your time filming edits that no one watches. You can have your side done. That's the beauty of panel vans. Everyone's good nick in here. One floor pan. You. Cool. I just didn't realise I'd actually be able to get that out, and yeah, that was a little bit of work, but it wasn't as difficult as I thought it would be. So basically with this back area I'm pulling out the panels as they were manufactured, so I'm sort of able to do the rear floor there. Now I'm going to do these panels, and except for cutting them there, it's basically how they were spot welded together, so pretty happy. I'll get this other side out, and yeah, then we're just going to grab the last few things off this van, and we'll send it to the wreckers. Actually to the metal recyclers, I think. Nothing yet good for the wreckers here. And just in case you thought that they put these cars together well, here's what I couldn't reach with the spot welder. Old mate to come in here with an arc or something and just dab some welds there, and that's I can even weld better than that. That's atrocious. Anyway, but yeah, we just started on this side now, so yeah, if I can get the floor pans out in one piece, is absolute gold. So all this section through here, the floor pans up over and into that will all be straight out of the van, so it just replaces all the structure on the ute is fine, all that stuff's fine. But yeah, getting these floor pans out, you can buy those replacement panels. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy one, not, I'll just repair the one I've got in the ute. But yeah, if I can get these two floor pans out today, I'll be a very happy camper. Well, I don't think there's much left in the middle of the car now. I should get out of here because it's probably going to snap in the middle. Have a look at that, just a few holes. But nonetheless, very good to get those floor pans out. As I said before, all this is going to be all replaced from the van into the ute. And so yeah, it's going to be bloody fantastic, and allow me to get into all these rails in the ute and clean all these, sandblast these out, and get all these chassis rails looking real nice. Yeah, that's floor pan number 2. That one's had a bit of a hit up in this corner here, just underneath the driver's bottom. But yeah, we'll panel beat that out, and yeah, you can still see some of the E-coat on it actually. It's in quite good nick, so very pleased. Alright, we'll keep going. How good is that, eh? Complete floor for a 78 model XC ute, all original pans, so yeah, pretty happy about that. I'm just going to start tightening them up now and getting them ready to go back in. I'm very excited, to say the least. Yeah, g'day guys, Steve from Factory Resto Australia. I think we're done with the van. This is my donor car, 77 XC Falcon. It's a non-matching numbers car. The engine's not the original engine. It's got a lot of rust. There's not a straight panel on it. About the only thing straight on it is the roof, ironically. But yeah, we've got a lot of value out of this car. I'm really pleased. I pulled out a lot more than I was going to. I originally bought the van for the floor and the floor only. But yeah, ended up stripping a lot of parts, grills, bumper bars. The guards were both shagged. I've kept the bonnet for cuts. It was pretty shagged and pretty rusty, but just for cuts in case I need them. Yeah, you can see the plenum and the torque boxes and everything. There's a lot of rust in this van, and not really a straight panel on it. So yeah, that was just a standard model. So it's done well. It's given me a lot of value. Cut a lot of little dog leg bits and pieces out of there. You can see I've cut the floors all the way back, right back to the back of the ute. Ended up pulling the dash out, the pedal boxes out, heaters, vents, everything out of it, even things like hood latches and vent latches. So yeah, I was just going to sell the van whole as bolus, but I decided in the end that we'd get value out of it, and I just stick a bit of stuff in the shed in case I do need it. You can see I've cut the complete floors out of this now, and yeah, all the removable panels. Yeah, it's a pretty rough old van, so it served me well. Very happy. So yes, I'll ring up the scrap metal yard on Monday and they can come and get it. Alright, bit of progress guys. Thanks for watching. We'll hope to see you soon.